Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome to our channel Salsa and Bachata moves, where we teach Salsa and Bachata moves. My name is Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We are from the Island of Cyprus, and today we're going to have a nice little improver to intermediate Bachata with some handworks, some little dips and tricks, and a little bit of sensual, of course, always in, because I like all three styles of Bachata, which is combination style, sensual style, and Dominican, which has nice footwork. Alright, if you like to see it to music, there's a link here and there's a link first in the description. Let's get started. Now we're going to do a basic 1 and 2 and 3, lift up the right hand. Enter guys in 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now you're going to use your elbow like you would use your hand. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? And then use both, this one and this one. Don't push only this one. 5, 6. With the same hand, catch underneath, so your left hand goes on the other side. One time, 1, 2, 3, and up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very easy. Just give her 3/4 of a turn towards her right. This way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure you throw the hand behind and catch by 4, because you need to give her 5, 6, 7, 8, a double turn. I kept the left hand down, the right hand up, and this is the reverse setenta, also known as completa. Let's come a little bit closer for this one. As the lady's turning towards her right, you're going to bring this hand on her neck and then let it slide off like that. Let me do it one more time. Makes it more smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you've exchanged hands, so you slide from here all the way here. Bring the lady next to you. Then you're going to push her a little bit to get distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrists under the armpit, not fingers, gets ticklish. And then lean the lady back and bring her back up. Please be careful with this one. Watch it from this side. I stay straight, and I use her force to bring her up. I don't go down because I might fall with her. Alright, let's do it from the part of here where we bring in the sensual touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have some distance, and the lady's going to move because she has nothing to do until you come. 1, 2, 3, 4. She places her hand here, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, sway. Push the lady out, don't let go of the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you have this, make an X with your hands and place your head inside your own X. Then push with the elbows down so she can hug you. One more time with this one, a little bit diagonal. Push in, push out. Grab below the shoulders and first go 1, 2, 3, 4, and push it for 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 waves. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then push away on 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish with a simple double turn. Bring her close to you and place the hand here. Put 2 fingers on the bottom of the lady's neck, skull, sorry. Bend down your knees. Slowly on 1, 2, 3, 4, release. 5, 6, 7, bring up, and play a little bit with the hip, and then go back into your basic. And that's it, guys. I hope you like it. Make sure you comment and rate. And remember, dance schools like ours are closed from day 1, and there is no income. If you like to support us, there is a donation link right in the description, and there's also a Patreon account. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.